How much would it cost to fill up all of the Great Lakes with applesauce? Okay, so the volume of all of the Great Lakes is about 5,439 cubic miles, which is equal to 5.989 times 10 to the 15 gallons. The most expensive applesauce that I could find was about $21 per cup. I calculated this because I found this very specific apple, which is known as the largest apple in the world, and it's about $21 per apple. And somebody on this random Yahoo forum a long time ago asked the question of how much applesauce equates to one entire apple. Some random person answered 1/4 of a cup, so that's what I went with. So guessing that a medium apple would equal about 1/4 of a cup of applesauce, so one of the largest apple in the world, which costs $21, would equate to 1 cup of applesauce, so that's $21 per cup. So EA times VL is 1,257 times 10 to the 15, which is 1,257 quadrillion dollars. But if we calculate how much it would cost to fill the Great Lakes with the cheapest applesauce that we found at 22 cents per cup, that would be CA, which is our cheapest applesauce, times the volume of the Great Lakes, which is equal to 1.32 quadrillion dollars. So minimum, it would cost $1.32 quadrillion to fill the Great Lakes with applesauce. Okay, listen, this light is very bright, but if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, I'm just disappointed in you. You're just a sad human being if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, honestly. There's only like 16 subscribers right now, but they're good human beings because they're subscribed to learn about things that don't matter at all. So if you want to learn about things that don't matter at all on a weekly basis, please subscribe down below. This is very important for the future of humanity. Listen, if we don't know how much applesauce it takes to fill the Great Lakes, we're just moving backwards as a society, you know? I mean, just disappointing.